Hey guys, today we are going to talk about giving respectful and helpful feedback. Okay, so today we're going to be peer editing or trying to kind of conference with each other the best we can without being in our classroom. Okay, so a couple things to remember when you are peer editing or peer conferencing. You want to make sure that your feedback is respectful. Okay, so these are opinion essays, which means it is the author of the essay, it's their opinion, okay? So you may not agree with what they're writing about, and that's okay because it's their opinion. Everybody has different opinions about different topics. The most important thing to remember is even if you don't agree with their opinion, you're still respectful of it. So when you read another classmate's essay today, make sure you're giving respectful feedback and helpful feedback. So if you see something they could change, remind them or say nicely how they could change it. Don't just say something rude and not give them a tip to change it or make it better. Remember, your job is to help them make their writing better. So you're going to go ahead and get opened up to the opinion essay folders. So you're going to find your class number. So if I was number 3, I'm going to go 1 through 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are all in here. 6 through 10 are in here. 11 through 15, 16 through 20, 21 through 26. So you're going to open the folder that includes your number, okay? And I'm just going to open up my example so I'm not typing on anybody else's, right? So you're going to open up your folder and open up anybody else's opinion writing that's not yours. Any other number but your own, okay? When you open it up, it should look like this. It should be font 14 and it should be spaced out like this. If it does not look like this, go to a different number, okay? Go to a different number if it doesn't look like this because they might not be finished. So your job is to read through their essay thinking, what's their opinion? Do they clearly state their opinion? Are they giving me good reasons to support that opinion? Is it clear or is there a part that's confusing? Okay, so you're going to be reading it. So I'm going to read this first sentence. Imagine walking down the street on a beautiful sunny day. While I'm reading that to myself, I might think, this is kind of confusing. I think I should leave a comment. I think I should tell them it's confusing. So I would say, imagine walking down street. So I could click and drag to highlight. And then right here, this little conversation box, it looks like with the plus, I'm going to click on that and it's going to say add comment. Okay. And I'm going to say, this is confusing. Maybe add the word the. So then it would be imagine walking down the street. So this is confusing. Maybe add the word the, or maybe change it to walking or to down the street. Okay, so I said it's confusing and then I gave them a tip about how they could maybe fix it. So then comment and then they'll be able to see right there where the comment's at. Okay. All right. I'll keep reading. You look down and see trash in the grass next to the sidewalk. Suddenly, your day and walk are not so beautiful. This is why I think people should always pick up their trash. Right here, a little bit confusing. So again, I'm going to highlight it, click add comment, and say, I think you could say why I think to make it more clear. And then you can click comment. Okay, so be helping them out, looking for parts that are confusing. Or if you aren't sure what their opinion is, maybe at the end of the essay at the bottom, comment and say, your opinion could be more clear or something like that. Okay, respectful and helpful feedback. I want you to make at least one comment. Make at least one comment on everybody in your folder's essay. So if I am number 1, okay, I'm going to open up this folder. I would want to open up and read 2, 3, 4, and 5. I would want to open up all 4 of these and read them and leave at least one helpful respectful comment for them. All right. And then tomorrow we'll go in and see what our class comments are, and we'll hopefully be able to change our essay to make it a little bit better. Also, if you agree with their opinion, maybe this is why I think people should always pick up their trash. Maybe I'm going to add a comment and say, I agree with you. I think people should pick up their trash as well. Okay? And I'm agreeing, saying like, yes, I agree with you. I think that's a great opinion to have. One thing I want you to make sure you're paying attention to, you are not typing on their document over here at all. So I'm not going to go here and fix it because I think it's confusing. The only thing I'm going to type up are going to be comments over here. Okay? You're not typing on their document or changing their writing at all. You are only making comments. You can make one comment or you can make a few different comments. Okay? You're being helpful, trying to help them make their writing better. All right? I can't wait to see all of our helpful comments that we come up with for our classmates today.